Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word fracas. Fracas has two syllables, and in British English, we pronounce it as fracas, fracas, fracas. In American English, we pronounce it as fracas, fracas, fracas. Fracas is a loud and noisy fight or argument when things are not calm. It's when people are making a lot of noise and causing a disturbance due to some disagreement or conflict. The example sentences are: number 1, the neighbors had a fracas over the loud music played late at night. Number 2, the disagreement between two friends turned into a fracas. Synonyms of fracas are quarrel, fight, disturbance. The antonyms are peace, calm, agreement. Fracas is a noun. Common preposition used with the word fracas is in, and the other prepositions are of and with. Thanks for watching.